Hi, my name is bgaede, and for over 20 years now I've been researching some of the extraordinary claims of science, specifically of mathematical physics, quantum mechanics, and general relativity, string theory, and I find them to be a bit disturbing, a bit counterintuitive. You know, you've heard about black holes, dark matter. They seem to be conveniently invisible, undetectable, and yet they're heavy enough to fit the equations. It's like they're ad hoc entities. Now, imagine your friend, he tells you that the reason the curtain moved is that his great-grandmother's spirit is in the room. And she died, 2 years ago. Well, yeah, maybe. But maybe there's a more down-to-earth explanation. Maybe, it's the breeze coming through the window. You've also heard about Big Bang. A lot of people ask the question, what came before the Big Bang? Was there time before the Big Bang? And what people really want to understand or want to know is, what is the mechanism where nothing becomes something? If that's when time and matter and everything started. How did nothing become something? How did energy become matter? That's what they want to know. And I don't think you can rationalize that. You can mathematically treat it, but you cannot give a physical interpretation to that. Not a rational one, at least. You heard about alternative realities. Every time you move your pinky, you branch off in all these gazillions of universes. And from each one of those, you branch off into even more infinite universes, if you can even picture that. In this universe, you're an actor. In this other universe, you got run over by a truck. A third one, you win the lottery. It's kind of surrealistic. It doesn't seem to have anything to do with reality. And for sure, there's no way of, proving such a thing. And you've probably heard about time travel. You go back in time and you sit next to Julius Caesar. Or you fight with the Vikings. You take over a castle. Who doesn't like a time travel movie? Everybody likes them. But is that a part of our reality? Can we really say that that's science? Well, these are the issues that I'm going to be dissecting and debating every Sunday at 1300 hours Eastern Standard Time. That's just about lunchtime in Philadelphia and just over breakfast time in San Francisco. And I'll be holding some of these lectures every Sunday, 1300 hours. So I'll see you there.